Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. This evening we're in Vietnam. On the menu, Tom Rim Vietnamese caramelized shrimp. The morning mise en place, just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. All the goodies for the shrimp marinade. Everything in the bowl. It all gets mixed up at least 20 minutes prior. Heating up some oil in the saute pan. We add the shrimp and the sugar and saute. Then we add the fish sauce and saute some more. And then we add the chile and the green onions and saute. The rice is ready. The final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.